What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YRN back at another reaction video. Today we're gonna be reacting to what's his nigga name? His name Gotdamnzo. Gotdamnzo. It's a monkey app reaction. It says extremely funny, so we're gonna check it out. And you know, I'm done with all the talking and shit, so let's get into it.
Oh, hey, white boy.
Well, it means my nigga.
Hey, creeps, and welcome back to my channel. As you already know, you can't sit with me unless you are POP, and that is pretty on purpose. How you doing? Okay, so like a while back, I did this app called Monkey, and it was so funny. And like, I don't have nothing to do today, so I'm at home bored, and I'm like, girl, get on Monkey, girl. So I'm getting on Monkey, girl. We gonna see what happened. I'm sure some people gonna know me. I'm sure some folks gonna call me gay. We gonna see. Whatever the case may be, it's all in fun. I'm not worried about what anybody says. So let's have fun on Monkey.
Face ass.
What position? What app am I in?
He do it the same way you do it.
Playtime 24. This playtime. Oh God. Wait, I didn't do it fast enough. Hold on, let me see. Okay, let's see. Video chat. Accept 28. Accept.
It's weird.
Hey, who is this?
Oh, hell no.
Shut your dumb ass up and get in the camera with that cheap. I'm in Atlanta. Where are you at? Where are you at, church?
Cheap.
Is that your daddy? Your mama, hoe. Okay, let's see. Ooh, he look like he might.
This nigga be snapping.
Let's see. Hey, boy, why you in the car riding in the Uber? Why?
Is your mom
Is she what?
pregnant?
No. Is my mama pregnant? What is that supposed to mean? Let's see. Okay.
What? This nigga
29.
weird.
Who is this? Why are you looking at the ceiling? What is this about?
Come on now, sugar pup.
Boy, shut your ass up with that Android ass quality you got. I can't even see your face with that cheap ass camera. Shut your dumb ass up. Fuck you old ass.
Yeah, that nigga got some Android quality. That shit is
Hey
stupid.
Zeus, where your girlfriend?
Oh shit.
Where your girlfriend at, fool? Shut up. Don't nobody like you. You got a trash bag behind you. Where your girlfriend at?
Bro.
Shut the hell up. You look dead anyway. Bye. What is his problem? Okay, let's see. Ooh, 25. Why did he go to him? No. 30. Okay, this is my cousin. Skip. Oh, Jesus. Let's see who this is. Jeff, let's see. Is this thing showing my
This is my cousin.
Jeff, why you all laid up like you... Why you laid up like you looking for a whole wife on this app, Jeff? Don't do that.
Cause I'm fat as hell.
Why is nigga camera? This nigga camera blurry as shit.
Jeff was laid up like he looking for a whole baby mom to come help him take care of them kids. Put some clothes on, fat boy.
This nigga snorted.
Oh boy, shut your ass up. All that polar bear hair you got on. Who's your friend?
What the f? I thought that was his ass. I was about to
I
say.
want to talk to your little crack ass. Oh, he gonna get got. Zay, where your cousin at?
This nigga be jealous.
Oh my God, that's hilarious. Truth or dare? It's you again? You're a killer. Where you going? User unappropriate.
Disappointment.
I'm trying to see what DJ PJG is. Okay, let me see. Where y'all at? School? He on the phone! Can they not hear me? It didn't work.
Fucking lunchroom. Kind of snitch.
He got out. He finna cuss me out. He from Florida. Hey, what club I'm gonna be at in Florida? User unresponsive. What's that mean? Unresponsive. You're not picking up. Okay, let's see. 31. Why everybody so... Oh, let me see. Where you... Hey, truth or dare, little boy. Nigga, get back in the goddamn camera. Why y'all grown men so scared to get in the camera? That don't make no sense. Maybe we need to go talk to some white people because all the black folks acting scary.
Niggas
Eric,
like 30.
You playing Fortnite? You playing Fortnite, Eric?
Oh hell nah, this
Playing
nigga long
Fortnite?
ass
That was a
nose.
question.
Huh?
And I just thought, oh my God, you are so ghetto. Why is there so many
Nigga
hood
deaf.
people on here? Is this like a hood app?
Bro.
Is this like a hood app or something? Tyrese, oh my God, it's all these black hood niggas. This is like a urban.
I suck big dick, nigga. We all suck dick, nigga. Hey, you famous, bro.
That nigga gay.
He
That
suck
nigga
big
gay.
dick. Wait a minute, who is this?
Oh hell
Who
no.
is?
I think so.
How the hell am I? What's going on?
Y'all can hear me?
Oh, no, fam. Look at Paul George.
Boy, shut
Y'all
your
can hear
ass
me?
up.
Or
Shut
no?
your ass up. Who is that?
Y'all can hear
Show
me
your
or no?
face, fool. Boy, shut your dumb ass up. It's so many boys on here. You know, I'm just like, maybe I need to go to the gay side. Mark. Girl, if you don't get this ugly ass stuffed animal out my damn face that you got for Christmas,
You can hear me?
where your daddy at?
You can hear me or
Too
no?
grown to be doing that shit. Too grown.
Yes?
What do you want? I
You hear me?
tried. What you said?
A little bit? I can't hear you.
Why ain't you showing your face?
I can't hear
Why
you.
can't we see? Why we looking at your little child's dog?
I can't hear you at all.
Niggas grown as a
Ain't
bitch
nobody trying
playing
to
with
see this
I
little stuffed
cannot
animal.
hear you.
a doll.
Boy, put your damn face in the.
Hey, nah, your video be funny as hell, my guy.
Appreciate it. Why is there so many?
That's what's up, though.
Why is there so many hood black people on this app?
Yeah, my guy, I be watching your shit. You funny as hell.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm from Chicago, though, my guy. Man, give me a shout out sometime, man.
Okay, shout yourself out right now.
Yeah.
I want little kids, bro.
Joe, you know, from Chicago. Southside, you know.
Okay.
My guy right here.
They don't even know this shit.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on my Instagram, Joe.
I love.
Who is this? Oh my God, your camera quality is horrible. Is that
Blocking
ugly
this.
fool who I was just talking to on the other phone? That's your
Maybe.
ugly ass. Why Marquis Stokes texting me? Hold on, let me pull this down. Do not disturb. Oh, hey, white boy.
Well, it means my nigga.
Really, man, my nigga. Kingpin, oh, he a killer. Kingpin, you work in the trap, don't you? You slime?
Really miss my nigga.
You on my YouTube.
Oh, shit.
Talk to me, Kingpin. Add some time, fool. King! Girl. Poppy, why is your name Poppy and you only about 13? Boy, your shit ain't froze. You ain't got no Android. Shut the hell up and say something. I asked you a damn question. Shut your dumb ass up.
Nigga silent.
Ooh, who is this? 25. Jay from West. Jay, you look like somebody's professor. Why is you on here?
Downstairs.
What's going on?
Downstairs.
Hey, what's you doing on here, Mr. Professor?
That nigga grown as a bitch.
So how you living out there, wherever you living at?
I'm living good in Atlanta, Georgia. Where are you from?
I'm from Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah, I think I heard
the
that.
Milwaukee part.
Is it cold up there right now?
No, it's beautiful. It's a smooth like 30, 40 degrees.
That's f***ing cold.
It ain't no snow though.
But it's
zero
cold
snow.
though.
No, it's nice. I'm loving it.
In Atlanta,
It's
it's
the best winter in my whole
He
life.
down.
in Atlanta it's 60 something. That's good.
Hey, I'm just working with what I get. You know what I'm saying? I can't complain about it.
So what do you do? What do you do?
What do I do?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a DJ.
Oh, where do you DJ at? What club? We coming to see you.
I don't got a gig like that right now. I broke my computer.
You
So
can hear
you're
me?
not a DJ, friend.
You can hear me?
I'm a DJ and waiting.
Like it's that?
Okay, well look at my YouTube. You're gonna be
He
on it.
down.
Okay, let me see. Tony.
Boy, nigga, cause I'm close to the
Hey,
camera.
Tiger.
Nigga say he a DJ and waiting.
What's up?
Nothing. What you doing?
Niggas in
Tony,
the
you
dark
ain't no
on
damn
monkey.
31. Bye. He said,
Hi.
"Hey, YouTuber." Ain't none of these people that.
You can hear me?
So, whoop, slap.
Your volume mad low.
Slime. How y'all be doing it? Slime, slap. Throw your
Shoot.
set up.
Whoop, whoop.
Throw your set.
Niggas act like they can't motherfucking.
No.
I got a boost, so.
Mr. I ain't no game bangers playing.
I
Y'all
ain't
better stop
trying.
playing with these boys like you're gonna go find me. I got my location on.
Hi.
Let me stop before I get
You
shot.
can hear me?
That is not you in that profile picture with your ugly ass. Man, shut your stupid ass up. Bitch, somebody want your dumb ass. You don't go anywhere with your dumb ass. She out here trying to find a girlfriend with your monkey looking ass. Boy, shut your stupid ass up. That ugly ass outfit you got on.
Fucking clown.
Trying to see. Hello, ugly. Why your thug ass on here?
How you
You in
doing?
an Uber on monkey. That is
Cooking that nigga out.
You can hear me?
Why are you in an Uber on monkey?
How you doing?
We're done.
Hey, word, can't even hear this man.
What you over there doing, nigga?
Abby, have friend.
Why you in the car? Where you
Broke
going?
is a
Come pick
bitch.
me up. I'm at my cousin's house over here in Chicago.
What's
You
poppin'?
an Uber driver? Oh, Jesus. Okay,
Doesn't
bye.
matter,
Yeah.
yes.
Shut your dumb ass up. You talking. You wait to the end to say something stupid
Cause,
ass,
like-
dumb ass.
Oh my god, why you let the door open on these big ass
It
head
can't be
fucking animals?
Like,
Robert, take that ugly ass purple hoodie off. Oh, wait.
Damn, this nigga on turn.
I gotta let my sister see you right quick.
Move.
What if I didn't want to see your sister?
Hold on.
What if I didn't want to see your sister, Robert?
why are you asking me these
This
questions?
nigga said.
I'm going on YouTube. You going on YouTube too? You going on YouTube?
Big brother, big brother.
Hey, friend. Friend.
Spell that.
It all right. It's okay, friend. Tell him when the ending process
Didn't even
is, you
spell
looking
it.
good, friend.
You making a YouTube video?
Yeah,
Uh-huh,
we
you on it, friend.
YouTube. YouTube. Come here, baby.
No, I'm not, girl. I'm not
What you
talking
looking
about
for?
you. Who your
Look
babe?
digging under my
Looking
bed.
ugly too.
I got friends.
Boy, shut your
Come
ass
here.
up.
Come say hi.
See me now.
Come say hi, boy.
Hey,
Oh, you on it. Oh, you on it. Trying to get them waves together. You shouldn't have showed me on it.
hey, look, y'all go follow me on that gram.
Ain't nobody finna follow you, do-rag.
What?
Follow me on that gram.
No. Who is this? What school you in? You in somebody's basement with them stealing
Nigga
pounds.
trying to get a free shout out.
United States shit premiere.
But ain't smoking nothing over here lighting up some candles because your mama gonna beat your ass. Boy, stop flexing. Bye, capping.
I don't wanna talk
Look
to
guys
y'all
like her.
niggas.
Boy, get your dick out the thing. We
I'm
don't
just
want to
talking
see
to
it.
people that
Bye, Capper.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
That's not me. Stop lying. Stop lying.
Look at this guy. What is he doing?
Y'all see?
Boy, that. I want to go back. I kind of like that look angle of the camera.
They playing a
All
game?
let me
I
see.
thought he
Brian,
was fucking
26 from New York.
and on a twit or some shit.
Hey, Brian from the Big Apple, where your girlfriend at? Tell her, oh, God.
I don't
Brian,
know.
you too grown to be scared of the camera, Brian. Too damn
Light
grown to
skin.
be scared of the camera.
Big ass
Too damn
head.
grown. Be ashamed of yourself, pussy. Bye. Shut the hell up, Brian.
Ugly
Bye.
shit.
Who is this? This 28 from Pennsylvania. Put them guns
Why is
down.
it
Put
so
them damn guns.
Shut the hell
Put
up,
them
Brian.
down.
It's cute, but honey, I got me a boo. You know, I can't be doing it.
It's like,
Ugh. Let's see, Jordan.
He got my Fenty in
29.
his mouth. Boy,
Hey,
get
Jordan.
on. Bad boy. We
That's
can-
you.
whoa, skinhead.
I know you. Oh my
Thank you for buying
God.
my Fenty.
That's you.
Like, this is like boring. Like, come on.
She lying for it.
Oh my God, you hood as hell. Where you got it? How much was that gold in your mouth?
Fuck.
Doing this by yourself is
How
so
much was that gold in
boring.
your mouth? You can hear me.
His lips look ashy as shit.
Ooh. Ooh, y'all know how I like them.
That nigga don't. He trying to lie.
Oh my God,
No.
Monkey. That is
Hi.
What was his name? Can I add him back?
What you doing?
Bad time.
I'm dead.
Why am I adding time, friend?
That nigga like 10 years old.
Yeah,
Add time, add time, add time.
what's wrong?
Don't be running the damn house.
Ah.
Nigga, you said ass.
What's your look? Put the camera still. What's your Fortnite name? What's your name on Fortnite or Xbox?
No.
Xbox.
Or do you got? Oh, all black people got PlayStation. What's your
Whoa.
PlayStation name?
It's PlayStation. It's PlayStation. What's that PlayStation name? This J Money 1000.
J Money can't play. Don't nobody want to add his stupid ass.
Ow!
J Money don't know how to play. I don't want to add him. He ain't good. He be dying all the time.
You see, this dog don't ever listen. Why is he touching me?
That's a lie. Well, how many victories they
That nigga
got?
mad low. Stupid big
How many
ass boy.
victories they got?
Don't be calling me.
He got like.
Hi.
Lie. Why he flip? He can't.
I can.
I know in the background. Them niggas retarded.
Oh, okay. Well, you look at my YouTube. You gonna
What
be
you
on it.
doing?
We got 20 live, 20 winners.
You hear me or no? You can hear me?
Look at my YouTube.
I'm gonna start doing that, like just saying stupid
How you
shit.
doing?
Is it a microphone?
Thank you. Add me, ow, add me as a
Oh
friend.
my God, your hair is out of control.
Add me on
Damn.
that.
Probably, I don't know, man.
Yeah, that nigga.
Whoa!
What's your name? Where you from? Oh no.
Nope.
Damn.
I like him. He's from Georgia.
Get the fuck out.
You
Come
from
on.
Georgia? What side
Get
of
out.
Georgia you from?
Get out.
Boy?
Alright.
What side of Georgia you from?
I'm gonna punch you.
Niggas in the dark.
Like, what the fuck am I looking for on this shit?
Who is this? Why your house so dark? What's going on? You sleepy? I can bring you some McDonald's.
Where get out? Shut up.
Chick-fil-A? Why it's so dark? Turn some. Huh? Man, shut your dumb ass up, bitch. Which I can never be better than
The
him.
fuck is he saying?
Sit down!
29 Freak Boy. Ooh, God. Why is your name Freak Boy? What you be on here doing? Them girls like it? That was a question, fool. And why you hide out the camera? You too grown to be hiding, stupid. And then you a freak. How you a freaking shy? That's dumb as You stupid. Bye.
Niggas hiding in the camera.
Who is this? Come to the phone.
Lame-o.
Friend!
You left on under the bed, boy.
Hold on, how you do slat? Is that slat? Slat,
Niggas.
slide.
Oh, it's the crazy part. Every time you on monkey, niggas always facing the camera to the ceiling.
You just sitting there watching TV? Oh,
That nigga lit.
What you playing? Okay, let me see. Ooh, who is
That nigga playing Fortnite.
Hey Ryan, oh my God, you look so educated. I was just in Ohio, Columbus, Ohio.
I'm actually from Pennsylvania.
Well, why do you have an Ohio?
Hey, add some more time.
Cause go Buckeyes. At a time.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Boy, you ain't 24 years old. You too, nigga. Okay. I did it! It's not working!
I'm gonna just stop the video right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more content. All this stupid ass dog jumping around and her dumb ass making mad noise. Don't add her. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Come out with some more videos and peace.